time for a bit of a challenge. It says two lines have a slope of -3/4 and, some value that's missing over 5. Now, it says find the value of that value that's missing, of k, if the lines are parallel. Well, wait a second. If they're parallel, wouldn't -3/4 equal to some k over 5? Because parallel means that they equal each other. Well, then this is easy. This means just, yep, straight out cross multiply, and you get beautiful things here. You get 4k equals to 5 times -3, which is -15. Then, if you divide this out by 4, k equals to -15 over 4. But you're probably saying, well, wait a second. How is this possibly -3/4? Well, look, let's go back and let's just do some algebra. Here, that's -15 over 4. That has to be k. So k is -15 over 4 divided by 5. And I'll prove to you that that actually equals to that. Watch. -15 over 4 divided by 5 is the same as saying -15 over 4 times 1/5, reciprocal and multiply. And check this out. 5 goes into 15 3 times. You get -3/4, which was the original slope right there. Look at that. So even though you got some sort of weird fraction, that in fact is the right answer. Oh my goodness, isn't that ever weird? Now, let's take a look at the next question. Let me get rid of all of this, okay? So we have a little bit more room to work with. Okay, so now we want this to be perpendicular. Hold it. Perpendicular means take this -3/4, and now it has to not just equal to, it has to be the negative reciprocal of this guy. In order to be perpendicular, you have to flip it and change the sign. Okay, so what does this mean? Same thing as before. Boom, boom. I just happen to take the negative reciprocal of that guy. Whoopie-doo. So I've got -3k equals to 4 times -5, which is -20. And if you look, the signs are going to work out here just perfectly. Look at this. That gives you k equals to -20 over -3, which is now just plain 20 over 3. That's the k value. Well, let's see if this actually works out to be the negative reciprocal. Let's put this k value back into here and see if we get the negative reciprocal of this. So the negative reciprocal of -3/4 should be +4 over 3. Let's see if we get that as a value. Okay, so take this k value that we just found, put it in there. Okay, here we go. There's 20 over 3 divided by 5. Okay, so here we go. 20 over 3 divided by 5 is the same as saying 20 over 3 times 1/5. And of course, 5 goes into 20 4 times. 4 times 1 is 4. 3 times 1 here is 3. And look at that. I got the perpendicular slope. Perfect. The one I was looking for. So what an interesting, challenging question in the sense that we're not just looking at perpendicular slopes and parallel slopes, but we're also looking at some pretty strange looking fractions and making sure we get the right answer.